What's up, guys? Today I just want to walk you through the progress that we've made with the to-do list app. So here it is right here, and this is the one that's built with React Native, and it's using a Feathers.js backend and GraphQL. Now when you first come into the app, it'll basically check to see if you're logged in or not, and if you're not, it'll take you to this login page. But before we do that, I want to, as you can see, we have this sliding menu bar here. I want to take us to the sign up page and create a user. So right now when you create a user, there's no error checking, and there's no like screen transition on success. But to check if we correctly create a user, you can come back over here and try logging in with it. So as we can see, we were able to log in okay, and then it takes us up into basically this is the main page. So we're able to create to-dos here and share to-dos. The first thing we can do is create different lists. So we can have multiple to-do lists. So we'll just create one, and then we can add items to this. So item 1, item 2, and you can see it doesn't clear yet. And let's say I wanted to share this with another user, I could just type in their username, and then they'd be able to update, edit this to-do list and see it. And they would also be able to, as they make changes in the app, it'll update real time because this is using subscriptions with GraphQL. Now we can also make multiple lists, so I can create a second list, and then I can create more items, and I can of course cross them out I want to, and I can hop back to my first list. I can remove items, everything you are familiar with a to-do list. So this is kind of the state of where the app is at. It's very it's missing a lot of things. It's not very pretty right now. There's no error logging at all, pretty much, and if it breaks, it just breaks. It's not going to print a pretty message to the user. There's kind of a lot of debugging code in here and a lot of buttons, but I made this app live streaming, and I showed you guys the whole process of how I did this. And I also have this app on GitHub right now if you'd like to see the source code for it, and I also have the server, and I'll put links in the description below showing you all that stuff if you want to take a look at it. Now I was going to continue just doing the to-do list and making it better and just keep reiterating on it and smoothing out basically its bad points. But what I want to do instead is I don't want to just keep live streaming and doing random features and things. What I want to do instead is instead of like a long live stream where I'm just doing things, what I'd like to do is break it up into like features. So I want to like have this be useful to you guys. So whatever feature you would like to see this app have, or you would like an error to be fixed, leave a comment below or anywhere pretty much on my YouTube, and I will add this feature and I'll live stream how I add the feature. So I kind of want to do shorter videos of adding features to this. So if there's something you want to know how to do with GraphQL or React Native and you want to see it integrated into this app, let me know below, and I'd be happy to make a video adding that feature to the app. So this is the current state of it. If you guys, I recommend downloading the code, running it, and if you want, maybe adding some features yourself to play around the code. And I hope this is helpful to see kind of a React Native application using GraphQL. So thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.